I'm literally trying to be festive with this hat, but it's not working for me. And I can't wear my Santa hat because my head is too big. Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, how you doing? My name is Ash. I am a makeup artist, a Christmas lover, a book lover, and I am ready to talk about some Christmas palettes. There's actually not a lot of holiday Christmas palettes that I like to buy. So the ones that I do have, I'm really into the color story. I love the packaging. I feel like they weren't so much of a cash grab as like some other companies do. Some of these are older, some of these are newer, and some of these have been re-released. So let's just jump into it. First one I want to talk about, it can actually be classified as like a Halloween one and a Christmas one. It is the Nightmare Before Christmas palette from the Colourpop. This is absolutely gorgeous. The packaging on it, I am obsessed with it. It does have like little raised like glitter spots. Oh, hi Lilith. Hi. You want to talk about the Nightmare Before Christmas? You were bad last night. My cat is joining me apparently. I love the little detail on the mirror here. And then the color story is absolutely gorgeous. I will say that I don't find that the color story leans too much Christmassy in my opinion, but I'm including it because it's the Nightmare Before Christmas and we all know that that is the best movie for the last 4 months of the year. So there's the first palette. The second palette I have is also from Colourpop. This is Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer palette. This is probably one of my favorite Colourpop palettes because I am obsessed with Rudolph. I love the story of Rudolph. I love the song. I love everything about Rudolph. Adorable. This palette does lean a little bit more neutral with like pops of red and like 2 greens. This is a great palette for those who just want to dip their toes in like a holiday palette without getting like too extreme with like the reds and greens. I love it. Alright, next palette is from Melt Cosmetics. This is the Christmas Town palette. I'm not including Halloween Town because that definitely leans more towards like a Halloween vibe, but the Christmas Town one, the packaging, A++ for packaging. I love the color story in here. I've been using the top shades in here the most. They are just absolutely gorgeous. Everything in here is gorgeous. I do have a full video up already with me using this collection. If you're interested in that, check that out. But I absolutely love this one. So good. I adore it. And then the last 2 palettes I have are from Oden's Eye. And before I jump into these, I want to talk about something. Now, I adore Oden's Eye. I love them, okay? I love their products. I am not affiliated with them. I don't have a coupon code. I don't get PR from them. I'm talking from a consumer standpoint. Oden's Eye re-released these and then they came out with 2 more Christmas palettes. They look so freaking beautiful that I bought them. That was at, I think like November 11th is when I bought them, around that time. I don't know this company that Oden's Eye to use to ship in the US. I never heard of them before. They delivered my package apparently on Thanksgiving and I didn't get a notification for it and I was out of town because it was a holiday. I didn't realize that it was delivered because when things are delivered to my apartment building, they are typically supposed to be delivered to the front door. If they can't get inside, they leave it on the front steps. That is where packages should be left. This shipping company decided to go to the completely back of the building where there's no access point for deliveries, and the photos show that they took a picture of the back door and them holding the package, but there is no picture of them putting the package on the ground. There's no picture of it on the ground. So when I realized that, oh man, my package was delivered and I go look for it, it's not there. And I'm assuming that somebody in my apartment building surrounding it, something, or maybe it's just a stranger that walked up to the back of the building. I don't know. Package wasn't there. I'm assuming that it was stolen. So I reach out to Oden's Eye and be like, hey, this was delivered in the wrong spot and apparently somebody took it, and there's like, you need to contact the shipping company. So I did. Contacted them, got the runaround with them. Still haven't heard back from them. There's like, sorry about this, you need to contact this person. So whatever. Did that. It's been like 2 weeks. Nothing's happened of it. So I was talking to my husband and I was like, you know what, I really want these palettes. They're not refunding me for my first purchase. Like nobody's helping me with my first purchase. So I was like, you know what, I really want them. I'm gonna reorder them. So I ordered them again on a new credit card. Same account, new credit card. And I left a note, be like, hey, this is my second time buying it because my first package was stolen. Nobody did anything from it. And I've mentioned them on my Instagram stories and everything, and through email, and nobody's done anything. So I made that purchase on Saturday the 2nd. I'm filming this on Tuesday because I woke up today to an email. It's like, oh, your order is refunded. I didn't request a refund, and it's for the new purchase that I did on the 2nd. I was really hoping to get the other 2 palettes so I can do a palette bingo with all 4 of them because they're beautiful. Don't think that's gonna happen. That's my little rant about Oden's Eye. I still love the company. I just wish that somebody would have helped me. So the first palette I have is the Merry Christmas palette. This one is definitely more traditional with like the greens and the reds and the gold. It is absolutely beautiful and I love this color story. But then you have the Christmas Eve palette, and this one is like a grungy Christmas dream. Look at that. Gorgeous. I love the cooler tones, the blues, the grungy greens in here. The shimmers in here are phenomenal. Absolutely beautiful palette. And if you didn't know, this is what the two palettes I should have would look like. But I'm not bitter. I'm not bitter. Regardless, I really love these two palettes and I'm super excited to play with these in the holiday season. So that's all the holiday palettes that I have. I just want to do a quick little swatch party of these palettes in case you're interested in checking them out. I will be doing a palette bingo with all 5 of these palettes. That will be coming in a few days, so if you're interested in that, check that out. But I think that's everything. If you have any holiday palette recommendations that you can send my way, please do. I'm on the lookout for a few, even though it's already December and people are already looking at like spring. But whatever. If you want, you can follow me on my other socials. I am artistryxashh everywhere, and if you like book content, I am devouring bookishly on TikTok and Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day or night whenever you're watching this, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.